After the meter is unpacked and unpacked, check the model specifications and accessories of the instrument according to the packing list. Quantity instructions, certificate of conformity, warranty card, fuse tube, printing paper, power cord, instrument host, 3 oil cups. The installation location of the instrument. Required instruments should be placed flat on a clean and dust-free countertop. Use the random included power cord. Insert into the 3-pin socket on the back panel of the instrument and connect to a 220-volt power supply. Open the upper cover of the instrument. The instrument comes standard with 3 measuring areas. They are 3 districts A, B, and C. Take out a BC3 oil cups. Place on a clean tabletop. The oil cup is divided into inner electrode and outer electrode. Inside is an internal electrode, external electrode. Corresponding letters are engraved on the inner and outer electrodes. The two should be 1:1. Use petroleum ethers separately. Anhydrous ethanol is cleaned in sequence. After cleaning, use a 110-degree oven to dry for 1 hour. Ensure that the oil cup is clean and dry. Take the cleaned and dried oil cup. Put in 3 test holes of BC in sequence. Connect to BC test cables separately. The oil cup corresponding to the red plug is A cup. The oil cup corresponding to the yellow plug is B cup. The oil cup corresponding to the blue plug is C cup. Be aware of high pressure hazards. Do not touch the sample cup during testing. Connection complete. Close the upper cover of the instrument. Turn on the power switch on the rear panel of the instrument. Instrument boot. Initialization complete. Enter the main interface. There are 6 options in the main menu interface. Optional instrument self-test. Parameter settings sample test. Advanced settings data query. And the option to view functions such as help files. Instrument self-test main interface. Click self-test. Enter the instrument self-test interface. The instrument automatically performs high-end range self-inspection and low-end range self-test. The high-end range self-test result should be 1.0 times 10 to the 11th power. Ohm plus or minus 15%. Low-end range self-test. The result should be 1.0 times 10 to the 7th power. Ohm plus or minus 10%. Via calibration function, can determine the highest end range of the instrument and lowest range. Measurement accuracy. High-end range self-inspection completed. Automatic display of self-test data. The high-end range self-test result is 1.03 times 10 to the 11th power. Low-end range self-test completed. Automatic display of self-test data. The low-end range self-test result is 1.06 times 10 to the 7th power. The self-test results meet the standard requirements. If the self-test results are not within the standard range, then it should be aged for 10 minutes after booting and continue to self-test until the self-test results are within the standard range. Oil sample test. Test settings function. Click settings. Enter the function setting interface. Available test options. Date time language. Sound display and communication settings. Click on the test option. Enter the test option setting interface. Test mode selection available. There are 3 measurement modes. Delt 4,211,991 mode respectively. Delt 4,212,009 mode and custom mode. Click on the specimen number position. Sample numbering can be set. Click on the preset temperature position. Temperature setting possible. Predictive oil cup selection instrument configuration has 3 oil cups. Can test 3 oil samples simultaneously. You can choose according to the actual situation. Automatically save test results. Switch settings available. Automatic printing of measurement results. Switch settings available. Setup complete. Click the Confirm button to complete the setting. Click on the date and time. Accessible time and date settings. Setup complete. Click the Confirm button to complete the setting. Click on the language location. Enter the language settings interface. Chinese and English can be selected. Just tick the corresponding box. The setting is complete. Click the Confirm button to complete the setting. Click on the sound display. Enter the sound display settings interface. Touch screen system prompt tone switch settings can be performed. And display bright degree setting complete. Click the Confirm button to complete the setting. Click to communicate. Enter the communication settings interface. Set the local address and communication rate respectively. Setup complete. Click the Confirm button to complete the setting. Click Test. Enter the test interface. The current temperature is displayed in the middle of the screen. The experimental parameters are set below the temperature. Below the experimental parameters is the status prompt area. On the right is the ABC UV measurement result display area. Click the Option key. You can directly enter the test option setting interface. Click to start testing. Sample testing is possible. Hit the Skip button. Skip the temperature control and constant temperature timing stages. Click the Stop Test button. The instrument will stop running the test program. Stop temperature control. Advanced interface for factory settings. Close to the public. Click the Data button to enter the data recording interface. Queryable historical data. Click the Help button to view the hardware and software versions.